Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of live trading. Now yesterday I only had about 30 minutes as the market opened, and I had to shoot off for a full day of meetings, so I wasn't able to really trade or focus on trading yesterday. I made $19 live, woo! And then when I got back in the evening, I was looking at Netflix. I was just sitting staring at my screens, nothing really to do. And I just saw Netflix go absolutely crazy at about 4:04 p.m. or something around there. And I saw the news and I got in and I made $388 in real money in about 10 minutes. So I was absolutely stoked. And just, that gave me a lot of confidence. And it was just, first day live and, you make $400. I mean, that's brilliant. I mean, really, really fantastic. Now, today's day 2. Now, I'm in a live trade as we speak. I am trading Netflix live for about, I don't know, the 5th time today. I am down for today, and I'm going to finish down at about $200, mostly because of Netflix, because I was just trying to short it. Now, I don't have the charts marked up today because I'm still trading live, and I just wanted to record this as I'm going live. But the first one, ignore that because that was actually done under my demo account. Everything that starts with you is my real account. So I'm currently down about $190 or thereabouts. So that's most likely where I'm going to finish today. So giving away half the gains I made yesterday afternoon, which is, it's not great, but it's okay. It's part of learning. And I have to say, I am really impressed with myself about how calm I am today. I mean, when I was trading live beforehand, I was a bunch of nerves. I was just, my finger was on the trigger the whole time. I wasn't really enjoying it, and I was just nervous the whole time. I just very stressed out. But even though I lost $200 today, or I'm going to lose about 180, whatever it is, because this is still going up and I'm still in it. What's my unrealized gain on this? All right, $19. All right. So I'm just a lot more calmer, and I don't know whether it's just my experience that I've picked up or whether I just feel comfortable with a platform and I've just kind of made the smooth transition into live trading, or whether it is in fact just that I've actually learned to control some emotions. I don't know. I'll keep thinking about it because I'd like to know what it is, but it certainly feels a lot easier and better doing this. I think I know partly what it is. It's because I'm taking a really small size. I'm taking 25 shares, 50 shares, 100 shares very rarely. So I'm keeping it so small that I think that has a big part to play. I'm actually pretty sure that's what it is as well. So don't mind me, I'm going to keep looking across to a different monitor to see how Netflix is going because I'm still live in the trade. But let's just go through. So I'll ignore Hog because I didn't trade that using my live account. So here we have Netflix. Now, let's get my pen out. All right, so I just exited my Netflix position. I finished the day minus $174. So I made up $60, which is nice. And this is still going up. So I just sold literally a few seconds ago. Now, Netflix. So it was up about $14 after market hours yesterday. And I went to short it here. And I actually made, I think, like $15 or something pre-market, just shorting it, just because I saw some weakness there. I was far away from the VWAP, so just a really small scalp, and it worked out. Now, when the market opened, I gave it 5 minutes, although I was really tempted to get in early, but I thought, no, this is real money now. You've got to take it, seriously. And so I waited 5 minutes, and I saw it open weaker as well, down here. And I thought, okay, this looks like it may go down. So I got in, I think it was 25 shares here or 50. I think it was 25 shares. And lo and behold, it was very, very strong, and I got closed out above the VWAP. My stop loss was here. So this cost me $92. This was my biggest loss of the day. And then I continued to try and short it. Now, I don't know whether this is still my inexperience in not being able to tell when the stock is really, really strong. I think that's what it is. But it's also the case that when you have a stock like this, which has already traded like 16.8 million shares, it becomes overcrowded. What that means is that you have so many people on either side, buyers and sellers, all throwing money at it, that no side really wins. It ends up being a draw. And this is when you get this kind of choppy action where it doesn't break down, but it doesn't go up, doesn't break down, but it doesn't break out. Now, this is a short squeeze. So actually, I traded this, so as I said, got in here, got stopped out. Got in here again, added slightly, got stopped out. Now, this was just stupid. This is shorting above the VWAP. I mean, I was just following the chat room here. So that's just silly trade. Good lesson. And what I did then was went to short it again. I think for the fourth time, ended up covering, and then I just flipped. Not that I flipped out, but I flipped my trading strategy and I went long. And I went long. I added here. Sorry, this is still the cover. So I bought here, added here, and sold here. And I sold in 3 spots. And then I went long again here, which was at 178.75, and I sold a little bit there, and the rest literally, like I said about a minute ago, at about 180.31. So all up, my P&L for the day looks like, looks like this. So it's minus 174. Ignore this first trade. So I lost 24 on Netflix going long. The second time, so I actually lost money on Netflix going long. How did I lose money on Netflix going long? I didn't get that. Maybe I must have done something. Going short, yes, I lost 171. And Nvidia, I made a little bit of money going long. So let me show you Nvidia. So Nvidia was a similarly very strong stock, and I just had a feeling that it would continue upwards after it when it didn't make a new low. And I got in here, I think it was 50 shares, maybe even 25 shares. As I said, really small share size at the moment. And I got out here. Obviously, you know, it could have held a little bit longer. It's making some nice moves, but you know, be that as it may, I mean, it's my second day, and I'm just finding my feet. So I'm not having any qualms about, you know, not maximizing my profits. So yeah, the time will come when I'll be able to hold longer and take bigger share size. So that was it really. Netflix made a new all-time high literally a couple of minutes ago. It probably will go a bit higher. I don't know. I mean, at the moment, the RSI is sitting at 75, which means it's getting quite overbought at the moment. So it's possible that you might see some selling pressure pushing this down at some point in time. But who knows? Who knows? It's a very strong stock. So that's my day. Day 2, minus 174. Great day yesterday. Not so good today, but very much riding high on confidence. And actually, I have to say that there is a difference between sim and trading live. For me in particular, I'm a lot less careless. I don't just take willy-nilly positions, and I'm really careful where I enter. You know, yes, I'm still making mistakes, but you know, this is what it's all about, you know. And yeah, so looking forward to tomorrow, day 3, see what it brings, and I'm wishing you guys great rest of the day. Thanks. Bye.